Hi guys, I'm Mario from Apps Knowledge in less than 2 minutes. If you want to learn more about your favorite apps with short videos, subscribe to my channel. How to make an Instagram Reels. Stick to the end of this video and I'll share with you amazing Instagram tutorials. So we open the Instagram app. We tap on our profile picture. Now the plus sign in the top right and Reels. Here you can select audio by just picking or searching for a song. Feels like summer. Click done if you want to edit. To add this song, you can use effects like you can use in other features like stories. You can change the duration of the video 15 seconds to 19 seconds. You can choose the speed, you can make it slower or faster. You can choose layout. For amazing Instagram tricks, click the playlist link at the top of this video.